Alright, good morning YouTubers. This is my new channel I'm starting out. Just trying it out and see how everything goes. This is my computer that I built from scratch. It's a Corsair 450D. That's the case that I used. And then the power supply is a CS850M Corsair. Really good so far, you know. Doesn't overheat. I like the case so far. You know, I had it for 2-3 months running now. So the motherboard is Asus Z97A USB 3.1. Good motherboard. I like some of the feature on that. I did my research and right now is pretty good motherboard. I like it. The only thing I don't like is probably the gold. There wasn't too many options, but it worked out, the color scheme. Next is the Corsair H100i GTX, the water cooler, and that cools off the 4790K Devil's Canyon Intel, and I like that. It keeps my processor pretty cool. I mean, even when I'm gaming, it's pretty, keeps it cool. And then the memory is a Corsair. I think it's can't remember exactly, but I think it's 2400 domination or something like that. I forgot what it was. Then you got your 1 terabyte Western Digital blue. I think that's what it was. I'm gonna upgrade to black later on down the road. And then I got 850 Evo Samsung SD card in there, and with my operating system on it. Now I really love that. Starting up the computer, it's a blazing fast. Then I got NVIDIA, or no, EVGA 970 super clock, or what is it? Yeah. So and I like it. My gaming actually went up. The frame rates went up and everything. I really like it. I want a 980 Ti, but they're a little bit high. This is just on my budget. At the time, I was buying stuff piece by piece because I'm on a budget right now. So, but it worked out. My goal was try to get it done before the end of the year, and I did. Next up, I got a NZXT LED lights in there. I really love them. That stands out. I like how it changes colors and everything. You can do some amazing stuff with that, with the software and everything. I mean, it's awesome. I love them. And then, oh man, I forgot what else is. I have some. I'm gonna order another power supply because I wanted a different cables. I want to go a fully modular cable, and this is just semi. It's, you know, it's just half modular. I do have a DVD player in there, and a recorder in there, which nobody uses anymore. Got it for, I don't know, I got a whole bunch of CDs. Like if I want to just pop in a CD or something, I'm not really big on stuff, you know, downloading music. Now we got like Spotify and all that, you know, like Google Play and all that, Apple. But I don't know, I got some old CDs I like to listen to that I already own. But right now, I let my wife's cousin use the SATA power cable because he ended up buying a power supply off Craigslist, pretty cheap, and it didn't come with it was missing that, so I just give him one of that mine. So because I'm gonna upgrade my power supply later on down the road anyway. Then I'm gonna add some black and blue wires or cables to it. The whole build, I was trying to go with like the Corsair water cooler and the lights on the memory or on the RAM was blue. It's blue, so I was gonna do blue and black in there. Well, I got more in the black than anything. So once I update the cables, I think it'll be all right. The cable that's hanging down right there, going to the graphics card, which is the EVGA 970. I just let it hang loose like that because when I pulled it tight back, it wrapped around, and I just didn't like how it wrapped around. I just don't see it. I don't know. I think it looks better like that, but then that's just my opinion though. I really don't like it hanging down though like that. I don't know. I don't know how. Right now, to my standard, that's the way I like it. I used Velcro wraps to tie that up there by the graphics card, and then my cable management. That's what I used in the back instead of the tie downs, wire tie downs. I didn't like the wire tie downs. In case it ever shows metal, you can short out your short it out or something. I really never did like that. But that is my computer. I like it. I got a 27-inch Samsung monitor. It's got a gaming mode on there. I like that. It's a 60 hertz. I'll show you the video of that here in a little bit. It's a pretty big monitor for 27. I want a 4K monitor and 144 hertz, but a little G-Sync with it. But it, that costs a lot of money. So maybe next year that's another goal of mine that I'm gonna try to do. I don't know. This channel is gonna be about computers and building it and stuff like that, and then sometimes family vlogs. I'm just decided just to try it out and stuff. My wife said, I was watching one YouTuber that had a plaque on his wall from YouTube, and I think it was 10,000 subscribers. So my goal is, I don't know about y'all, but lately I've been doing things that I want to do, goals, and try to accomplish it. So I seen that plaque and I'm like, man, I want to do that. So my wife encouraged me to do it, and that's what I'm gonna try to do. So, and it's just a goal of mine, just to try to accomplish another thing, because my life I started when I was growing up. I did a lot of bad things, and now as I'm growing up and I got so many kids and married and settled down, I want to accomplish goals and set goals for myself and then accomplish them. So I think that's what this YouTube channel is going to be about. The goals that I want to set and then accomplish them. To show my kids that it doesn't really matter. You can accomplish any goal that you set your mind onto. That's the same thing what I just did with this computer. Never knew how to build one. I never figured that I would build one, and I did it, and I'm proud of myself for doing it, and I know my mom will be proud too. Alright, YouTubers, I'll see y'all on my next video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll do a review on this and the frame rate on the computer and everything. Which a lot of y'all probably already know what it will be, but I'm starting out, so this is the very first thing I'm going to do. So, alright, I'm out. Thank you. See y'all next time.